welcome to today's recipe, which is a one-pot wonder. You're going to find all of the ingredients listed in my one-pot wonder Ninja Foodi cookbook, and I'm sure you're going to find it simple and easy to follow. All of these recipes are super easy to create. One Pot Wonders is about making amazing food in one pot that uses several of the functions and different methods to get the most out of your Ninja Foodi. And of course, with the least effort possible. What I love about all of these recipes is that they are inclusive. And this means that you won't need to be cooking your rice elsewhere or putting your hob on to cook your vegetables. These truly are full meals made in your Ninja Foodi. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well if you haven't already. Let's get into today's one pot wonder, and I hope you really enjoy this. I'm making a steam meal today, and this is a one pot wonder. It's incredible you can cook this all at the same time. In here, I've got my new potatoes. Some of them are quartered, some of them are halved, so it really depends on the size, but you want them fairly small because we want to make sure that they're nice and tender. I'm going to be using salmon, and we're going to make a crispy topping for the salmon. And then we have got our vegetables. So I'm going to be using the Ninja circular tin here, and we're going to be putting into here our sort of dressing, marinade, whatever way you want to look at it. So we are going to zest our lime. I want loads of flavour in this dish. It's kind of Asian style flavours, this. It's really fresh, really, really beautiful. So in goes the zest. I've got some ginger, which I have already grated. So let's get all of that ginger in there. Just a small amount of caster sugar just to balance the flavours really nicely. I'm adding some soy sauce, some chili flakes, some sesame oil. So beautiful. And then we're also going to juice our lime as well. And there's our lime juice as well. So I'm just going to give the marinade a little stir just to combine everything together nicely. I wish you could smell this because it smells incredible. Such a simple concept this, but it just works really, really well. So now I grab my salmon, and I'm going to lay this in the marinade. Just going to turn it over just to get everything coated. And then I'm going to leave it flesh side down. Do the same with your other piece. You don't have to just cook this for 2 people with 2 fillets. This is going to work perfectly with 4. I think you could even go up to 6 just about with this recipe. So I'm going to leave those to marinate for sort of however long you've got. I mean, you've only got 5 minutes, 5 minutes. If you've got half an hour, great, half an hour. Let's start layering up our steam meal. And that means in the bottom, I've got the new potatoes. I'm going to actually give them a little season with some salt. Obviously, alternatively, you can do this afterwards to taste, or you can add a bit more if you need to. And then I'm going to just go with simple water in these because we've got a lot of flavour going on with the salmon and everything else. So here is my salmon from earlier, and that has been marinating really well. I'm going to be using everything from the Ninja bakeware set. So this is the round circular tin that you get. And then this is what they call the crisper plate, which works really well to sit on top of it. And that means you've got an extra tier as well. So let's grab our salmon. I'm now going to put that skin side down on the crisper plate. And into here, into all this gorgeous marinade that we have got, I'm going to add all of my vegetables. Now I have got celery, I've got red pepper, and I've got carrot. Let's give those a little mix round because we want those coated in all of those flavours. And that's what's going to give us our Asian style vegetables. It's the flavourings that make all the difference in these dishes, because a steamed meal is so simple, you know, new potatoes, vegetables, salmon, but how can we make it interesting is the key thing. So they're going to steam away in there. You'll notice I've cut everything fairly fine. So we've got little sticks of carrot, and we've got celery the same, and then our pepper. So everything's going to cook really nicely. You can change up the vegetables, change up the ratio, but bear in mind obviously how long it's going to be steamed for, and you want to make sure that, you know, your vegetables aren't going to be too soggy. So let's sit the salmon on top of those veggies. And I've got a mix in this bowl here of some breadcrumbs, but also some sesame seeds. And I think that's going to really flavour the top of our salmon really nicely. I'm just trying to work out the best way of doing this. And actually, I think I'm going to grab the salmon and I'm going to put it into there and get as much of this to stick on my salmon as possible. And then I will top it with the rest. There you go. That's probably a good way of doing it. There you go. So just turn your salmon over so you get the sides and the top. That's sticking nicely. And then what I'm going to do is just layer up some breadcrumbs and sesame seeds on top of the salmon as well, because we want this to have a nice crispy crumb to it. That's going to be beautiful. And that's the great thing about steamed meals, is that you can still get texture in your food. It's not just all really soft, and that's what I love about it. So that was about the right amount for what I needed. So potatoes, salt, water in the bottom. Here come our Asian veggies, and then our crispy sesame seed salmon. Can I get it to go in? Just got to give it a jiggle, really. I've got a potato in the way. Come on, potatoes, move over. There you go. That should be good now. Yeah, we're straight in. Let's get the lid down. I'm going to get it onto steam meals, and I'll show you when it's cooked. Time is up. Oh, look at that salmon. We've got a nice amount of colour. Sesame seeds have become all toasted and delicious. And I'm confident that that is flaky and cooked to perfection. Just checking the potatoes, and they are cooked just right. They are tender. Look at those, absolutely brilliant. Let's just take the salmon off of the veggies and have a check on those. Vegetables look great as well, and they've got all of that beautiful flavour. It smells really good, and these are just nicely tender. So it's still got a slight little bit of bite to them, but as you can see, they are tender, which is just right. It's how I like my vegetables. If you like yours like really, really soft, then just cut them a little bit finer, but these are really good, exactly as I'd want. I'd say they are a little bit more than al dente. So that's my 3 elements done. All that's left to do is dish it up. Sometimes I just can't believe that this is made in such little minutes using steam meals. It's just so fabulous. It's healthy, it's quick, it's a one-pot wonder. Sesame crusted salmon, Asian style vegetables, and of course those lovely tender nude potatoes to go alongside.